Hi, I'm Li Ruoying from mainland China. I was admitted to the University of Hong Kong in 2017 and graduated in 2021 with Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering. Hong Kong U is really a place for dreams to happen. With world-class academic team and outstanding educational resources, the Faculty of Engineering at Hong Kong U offers an excellent platform for personal development, whether you choose to thrive in academia or industry. I found myself having a fruitful time during my undergraduate study. I enjoyed the diversified coursework and was involved in many exciting projects. I joined the undergraduate research fellowship program in the fourth year and had a precious opportunity to get involved in a research topic there. I went for a voluntary project in Romania during my summer break of the second year. I made friends with local people there and got to understand and appreciate our world from an equally valued standpoint. In my third year in Hong Kong U, I went for a summer program at Stanford University and a semester exchange at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. I was given the precious opportunity to meet interesting and brilliant people and had a wonderful learning experience there. These activities helped me broaden my horizon, and now I have a global mindset when dealing with challenging problems. I am currently a research postgraduate student here in geotechnical engineering. I have experienced great personal enrichment at Hong Kong U, and I hope you will embrace a brighter future here too. I wish to see you at Hong Kong U soon.